everyone, I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window. I know it's September and it's time for our block of the month. It is so much fun to make those little blocks. Primrose block of the month, by far one of my personal favorite block of the month. I hope you agree. We are coming to the end of that project. We have been making the blocks for so many months, and this is our month number 7, and we are going to be making block 9, 10 and 11. We only have one more month and you guys gonna be putting your beautiful blocks together into a gorgeous quilt. I'm so happy for you. But for today, anybody that is part of the subscription, they're receiving the block of the month right now, and you're receiving a beautiful pattern for the block of the month. If you're just joining us in, you can go ahead to our website and you can purchase a kit. In the kit we have all the pieces, all the blocks pre-cut, ready, set, go for you. We also have a standard kit where you can just get the fabrics and cut your own pieces and enjoy. We also have a beautiful pattern called Primrose, and in this pattern you have directions for all the blocks. For our subscription we have regular blocks just like this, that it's all the fabrics, or you can get the pre-cut option, and that's what our customers are receiving right now. And in those pre-cut options, all the pieces are pre-cut for you. So block 9, 10 and 11. Let's do it. I'm so excited for you guys. Let's start with a block 9. In a block 9, we're going to be making a cute little center out of pink. Then we have 4 corners that are just beautiful browns. Isn't that nice? And the softest blue for rectangles around the square, pink square center. All right, look at this. This is our block that we're gonna make this month. We're going to be sewing the brown into the blue on both sides just by placing the pieces right sides together and stitching. Once you make your first row, you're gonna go ahead and create a second row right here in the middle with pink center and 2 blues, and then you're gonna go ahead and do the same thing in the bottom right here where you have a blue and 2 browns on each side. Let me show you how I did. I was very excited and did a lot of my blocks. I was so looking forward to do this with you guys. Now this was the middle, so I pushed my seam allowance towards the pink. Then I went ahead and sewed my browns, and I pushed my seam allowance towards the brown this time, just like this, okay? And you can use your little pressing tool if you would like to, or you can go ahead and finger press. It's up to you, but no less, once you have your rows completed, you're gonna be placing them right sides together. And I love to pin, so I'm gonna match my pieces. I'm gonna take a pin, I'm gonna place a pin, and I place my pin just below my seam, so that way when I stitch I come to the seam, then pull my pin, and everything matches really nice. So super excited for you guys. And there you go, another pin on this side. Stitch, flip it open, do the same thing on this side, and in no time you're going to have a beautiful block number 9. And this block you're going to repeat 16 times because you need 16 of them for your quilt, and they're gonna be in a corner of your quilt. And next month we're gonna be making your last block, and I'm gonna show you how to put all the blocks together. But before we get there, we have 2 more blocks to talk about it. So block number 10 is very simple too. Block number 10, this block is made from half square triangle units, and all that you're going to, those are the half square triangle units that we're gonna be making. We're gonna place your fabric right sides together, we're gonna stitch, and for one block you're going to need 4 half square triangles. Let me show you. I already have them ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now once you finish sewing your half square triangle units, make sure you press, and then the next thing you need to do is trim your little bunny ears just like this. Oh, how simple. Just like this. We're gonna be making 4 blocks for block number 10, 4 of them, because we need 1 block on each corner. Now let's lay out our block. I'm gonna place my blue this way, then I'm gonna rotate and place my second one right here, do the same thing here, and 1 right there. I'm gonna trim this one really quickly so everything looks so nice just for you. I'm excited. That is gonna be beautiful. So right there, look at this. This is gonna be your block number 10. Now we're gonna take 2 of the half square triangle units. We're gonna place them right sides together, and it's so nice because the seam right here locks so nice, so it's easy to place your triangles together. We're gonna stitch, then we're gonna do the same thing right here and stitch, and once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and have 2 of them. Look at this. I'm gonna clip it apart because I did chain sewing. That speed up my work really nice. As soon as you finish, you're gonna push your seam allowance, and right there you're gonna place your pieces right sides together, lock this seam right there, stitch, and in no time you're gonna have a beautiful block like this. And look at it on the back. I push my seam allowances in opposite direction and up in the center right here to have a nice flat beautiful center. Next step, you're gonna take your ruler and make sure that your blocks are 3.5 by 3.5. If they're not, you're gonna go ahead and do just a gentle trimming if needed. So always remember to do that to make sure that you have a beautiful block. So this is our block 10, and you're gonna repeat it 3 more times for a total of 4 total of block 10. So we are gonna be making this month 16 block 9, 16 of them. Then we are going to be making 4 of block 10, and then our last block for the month. You don't have to do anything. If you are part of our pre-cut kit, you just open the package and check that you have all your blocks, and we already pre-cut them for you. If you are cutting your own fabric, you have to follow direction and cut the squares, and those squares are 3.5 inches, and we're gonna need 24 of this one, 36 of this one, 20 of this beautiful color, then 8 of this one, and 12 of the blue ones. So this is what you need to do for this month to be ready for next month to finish your last block, and we're gonna be putting your blocks together to a beautiful quilt. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please email us at customerservice@laundrybasketquilts.com. Please don't forget, give us thumbs up for our videos. We appreciate, and share with your friends, because quilting and sharing goes together. And I hope you enjoy our Primrose block of the month. Happy quilting!